this extremely tall cactus at a friend's house. This survey shows how many calories to the third decimal place you burn climbing each step. These donuts look like the middle school's graffiti. This nail with a wasp nest on it. These movie tickets from the JIBBA Museum are made from frames from different JIBBA movies. At Starbucks, a barista interpreted my order for a banana and water by putting the banana into the water. This tiny 50-year-old bottle of Guinness. I found these fossil sand dollars at the beach. Bees show up here every year, stay for a few hours and leave no hive. Sculpture of man sleeping in Orlando Airport. Indoor waterfall at Jewel Chani Airport. Chicken made out of eggshells. My ibuprofens when I opened it. This cat with different colored eyes. This is the guy who voiced Elmo. This giant packet of Taco Bell hot sauce. This couch is made from brick. This avocado-sized avocado pit. New public restroom before the stalls are placed. A folding phone that won't break after 3 days of use, the Nokia 9300. This sign in Copenhagen would have tried if wasn't already full. Try the worst sliders some guy on TripAdvisor has ever had in his entire life. My dad's work van has more than 430,000 miles on it. This panda ant. This shop provides plastic bags to put over your head so you don't get makeup on the cloths. Everyone in my class was asked to draw an eye however they wanted. Chrome PDF viewer crashed while printing a document. Got the old trees today. This toilet in Japan lets you wash your hands and refills the toilet with the water you washed your hands with. This receipt breaks down the nutritional value of your order. A Jello pack I bought very recently has Infinity War advertising on it. The pure irony. This flight path over my house. I went to open my can of Pringles and the pale evil lead decided to take the layer of cardboard with it. A picture of a cat on another much bigger cat. My carrot has another carrot inside. The rock looks like man's face. A pumpkin that was grown in a mold. First time seeing a quadruple A battery. This hand dryer has quite the explanatory literature. This pic of London looks like it should be a video. the London Eye fitting almost perfectly in the toilet window. I found a door and nothing else on an abandoned beach. This street art has been marked 5 on 10. You can see where my nails stopped and started growing again between chemo cycles. The grass where my dog goes to the bathroom grew 10x faster than the rest. This cocoon has stitched the fabric of my outdoor lounge together for protection. The reflection of this stained glass seems to spell dead. Got into a car accident today when the airbag deployed the Buick logo on the steering wheel imprinted on my hand. A wall completely covered in motherboards, etc. A door on this abandoned train depot. This hotel in Singapore is very green. This local farm puts dates on their farm in their egg cartons sold at grocery stores. My cat had kittens and one has thumbs. This guy on my international flight was wearing a parachute. My grandma put her wallpaper on her pencil sharpener. Bubbles forming a spiral at the bottom of my bear. This sidestep in my furniture assembly instructions. The hotel I am staying at has a vending machine strictly for champagne. A woody transformer seen in Tokyo Disney Sea Park. Removing the headrest in my vehicle reveals a very shocked face. This pink flower has perfectly concentric spiral petal patterns. Soon to be demolished building looks like a piece of art. The not actual size sample band-aid really is actual size. Tree-colored pepper. This train cover in Kawaguchi, Japan. If your name is Dave, this takeaway shop takes your photo and adds it to the wall of Daves. This big library shelf. This remaining tower of a church being underwater. Didn't realize how large the wind turbines actually are until there was a train full of the blades, miles and miles long. Someone in my neighborhood has manatee mailboxes that they dress up for holidays. Triple rainbow in Iceland. The carpet in this hotel looks like there's rose petals scattered on the floor. Clouds look like foam board. This is a clock made of books. Each book is titled according to the hour. Local off lease dog park. So many dogs chase each other around this bush that they are excavating it. My dad turned my grandma's jacuzzi into a small garden.